Welcome to another video on Jamb/Utme past questions with Mathemasoft. In this video, we'll be dealing with question number 10, and question number 10 cuts across polynomial. So this is a very important topic, and we are going to give you a very simple approach. So we have if this is divisible by this, and if when it is divided by this, the remainder is 27. Find the constants k and I. So when we say a polynomial is divisible by an expression, it actually means that what? The remainder will be equals to 0. So they have given us a clue here. The other one, they have given us what the remainder will be when it was actually what divided by this. So let's just write. So it means that what? The function x, which is the polynomial now, is x raised power 4 minus k x raised power 3 plus 10x squared plus I x minus 3. Okay, so that's the polynomial. All right. So, and then we can actually put the expression that is being used to divide it, I will say is divisible. When we say a polynomial is divisible by an expression, I'm saying that again, it means that what the remainder will be what? 0. So let's use remainder theorem to actually work this out. So we say x minus 1, which is that expression, equals to 0. We have to find the 0 of this what? Divisor. So that will be x equals to what? 1. So we can now find f1 now. So that's when x is equals to what? 1 in this polynomial. So when x is equals to 1, x raised power 4 will be what? 1 raised power 4 minus k 1 raised power 3 plus 10 1 squared plus I bracket 1 minus 3. So that's all we have. And then that will be 1 minus k, okay, plus 10 plus I minus 3. Don't forget, they told us that what? It is actually what? Divisible by this. So if it's divisible, it means that the remainder will be equals to what? 0. So the remainder will be equals to what? 0. This is remainder theorem. I hope you do what? Remember. So taking these together, I'm going to be having minus k. Let me bring out the constant first. Plus I. So I have 1 plus 10. That will be 11. 11 minus 3 will give me 8. So that will be plus 8 equals 0. So we can now say I, okay, let's write I first because I is actually having positive coefficient. So that will not start with this negative. That will be minus k, okay, plus 8 equals what? 0. You can say I minus k equals minus 8. So let's make this equation 1. Of course, looking at the question, you already know that it's going to lead to something like simultaneous equations because we already have two equations coming out. So we are done with what is divisible by this. Let's now deal with the second clue that they gave us. And if when it is divided by this, the remainder is what? 27. Okay, that's 27. So let's also do that. So we can say we have x plus 2 equals 0. We find the 0. X equals to minus 2. So definitely we'll do f of minus 2. So in this same word, polynomial. So that will be minus 2 raised to power 4 minus k bracket minus 2 raised to power 3 plus 10 bracket minus 2 raised to power 2 plus I bracket minus 2 minus 3. Okay, that's all we have. And then we can say f of minus 2 equals minus 2 raised to power 4. Of course, when negative is raised to the power of even number, you know automatically it will be positive. So 2 raised to power 4 will give us 16 okay, minus k bracket. This will result to negative because it's actually what raised power of odd number. That will be minus 8. Okay, this will be plus 10 bracket minus 2 square will give us what? 4. Okay, I times minus 2 will give us minus 2i, then minus 3. So don't forget, everything equals to 27, but that's the remainder. As we are working like this, so what we are going to have will be what? Our remainder. That will be equals to what? 27. So let's write this now. So we have 16 minus k times this, that will be plus 8k, okay, plus 10 times 4 will be 40 minus 2i minus 3 all equals to what? 27. All right. So we have, let's bring all the constants together. That will be 8k minus 2i, okay, 16 plus 40. That will give me 56, okay, 56 minus 3. So that will give us a 53. So that will be plus 53 equals 27. All right. Let's bring 27 here so that we take all our constants to that place. So we can say we have 53, take it here, that will be minus 27 equals, take this minus 2i here, that will be 2i, and this 8k, that will be minus 8k. So 53 minus 27, that will be 6, that will be 2, that will be 26 equals 2 bracket I minus 4k. I'm trying to actually what? Bring out the common factor here, which is what? 2. Why did I bring this out? I've already cited that what? We have an even number here, which is what? 26. So I can easily what? Divide both sides by 2, so that what I will have left will be 2 cancel 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 13. So if I'm to write this one directly, I'm going to be having I minus 4k equals 13. So call this equation 2. So dealing with this now with the equation 1 that we already have what here. So let's write it together. That will be I minus k equals to minus 8 and I minus 4k equals to 13. So let's call this equation 1, equation 2. So it has become simultaneous equation now. So I can say from, okay, or better still, let's just say everything is already here. I can just add. I can say subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So I'm subtracting equation 1 from 2. So this is what I'm doing. I'm actually doing equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, so that would be I minus 4k into minus I minus k equals 13 minus bracket minus 8. All right, that's what that we have. And that will be I minus 4k minus I plus k equals 21. So doing this, minus I plus I will be out. And then I'm going to be having minus 4k plus k. That will give me minus 3k equals 21. So k equals to 21 over minus 3. That's equals to minus 7. So if my k is equals to minus 7, I can say from equation 1. What is our equation 1? Equation 1 is actually I minus k equals to minus 8. So let's put k as minus 7. So that will be I minus bracket minus 7 equals to minus 8. Okay, so I can say I plus 7 equals to minus 8. So I, okay, equals minus 8 minus 7. And that will give me minus 15. Okay, so my I is minus 15. Therefore, I equals to minus 15 Okay, k equals minus 7. So let's check the option. I equals to minus 15, k equals minus 7. So in our option, we have k, option A, k equals to minus 7, I equals to minus 15. So that's the correct option without wasting our time. So k is minus 7 and I equals to minus 15. Don't bother your mind with, the way I actually slow down in this video. It's because I just want everybody to be carried along. If you have a good understanding of this topic, okay, you should know that what we have done here is something that you can do very fast. Let's say, in fact, if you can, depending on how familiar you are with this topic and how quick you can process it, you can actually do this as fast as what possible in your exam. And it's a kind of question that once you take caution, you should be able to get the right answer. So I'm encouraging you to please share out this video for more students to be reached so that they can also benefit from what we have done in today's in this video rather. So please, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Help us to share this video, subscribe, let me have your comment in the comment section, like this video to give me thumbs up of the little effort I've made on this video. Till next video that I'll be making on Jamb slash UTME past question, I'm encouraging you to please study hard and smart for your examination. And I wish you all the very best in your exam. Bye for now.